Full disclosure, I stopped cooking to make a drink. Icy. Hello. Hi Hannah, I'm going to take the next week to try and show you around my kitchen and convince you that this is one of the ones you're going to want to use when you're here in Brisbane in Australia. Snack time is the most important meal of the day. You're trying to use the same iPhone to check your recipe as you are record a video clip so your favourite YouTuber will come visit you. Awkward. The Mayas knew all about snacrifices.
Please hang up and try again.
The recipe says whisk, which makes me kinda sus. Step 3, it just says add everything to one bowl, that was some lemon juice by the way, and whip the crap out of it. I'll smell it for you. It smells kind of like lemon juice, which is a good thing because it's lemon tart. Going to use, and the mixture is running as, so what do you think would happen if I put that in there? So this is the pie mixture. Hey guys, I hope my video has been food for thought. Congratulations on your tour and thanks for the cooking tips and laughs these last few years. Oh, she's so naughty.
Don't look at me. Do it yourself.
Yeah, play your own game, cat. Oh, there she goes.